we'll keep cruising up. River here. See, no one lives here. And there's a couple reasons for this. Back in 1992, a town had been destroyed. 148 homes buried. And the U.S. Geological Survey was kind of left with this problem. You know, how do we inform people and tell them where the mountain's going to erupt? Because, you know, the U.S. Geological Survey, they don't have all the answers, but they have most of the answers. They have more answers than the general public. They know more about it. They study it. So they picked up on an idea that had started years before. They should tell people where the active areas are and where the least active areas are. Makes sense, right? So they came up with this scale. It's a zoning scale from 1 to 9. The lower number on the scale, the more likely you are to encounter lava flows. So area 1s, they erupt. Area 2s, like this here, are where lava flows. And then area 3 or better, you can essentially build. And it's based on inundation amounts over a given time frame. So this is a lava zone 2. Not to say you can't build here. Not to say you shouldn't. It's just that if lava does flow, it's likely to come into the 2s. So that's what's happening out here, or what happened out here. You know, the fires will start and whatnot, and it looks like this area would catch fire. You'd have these massive, like, raging wildfires. But it rains too much. It rains way too much out here for fires to even think about spreading. Not that a wildfire can't happen, they just typically don't happen. It's kind of cruising along. We're going to find some more areas. These are just the first areas we happen to encounter. This area is huge. It's been erupting non-stop since January of 1980. It'll come into view once we come on this side. There we go. Just on the right here. Older stuff has more of a reddish tint to it, so it has like a dirt appearance. But if you go down there, I assure you that's not dirt. It's just big, huge chunks of rock. Kind of keep in mind that these trees out here are about 70 feet in height. Kind of provide a sense of scale. So what looks like dirt down there is actually just broken rocks. I mean, your smallest rocks down there might be the size of a softball. Leslie and Susan, out your window there, right? And then you see the red and the silver. If you focus on the silver colored rocks along the tips, is where it usually glows.